Welcome back to Syntax Lattice, where we learn, build, and develop using 100% free resources. When I first decided to learn backend development, I was stuck. Everyone online was talking about servers, APIs, databases, deployment, and honestly, it felt overwhelming. So I decided to do it slowly and do it free. No paid courses, just patience, curiosity, and YouTube. If you're feeling confused too, let me share how I actually learned and mastered Node.js step by step for free so you can do the same. Phase 1. Understanding why Node exists. Before writing any code, I began with one simple question. Why do developers even use Node.js? And that single question made everything easier. Here's what clicked for me. JavaScript originally only worked inside the browser. Node.js allows JavaScript to run outside the browser on your system. That means I can build full-stack apps using one language, JS. Backend equals the brain behind the website. Once that clicked, backend didn't feel scary anymore. Think about logging in somewhere. You enter email and password. Server checks database. If valid, you enter. That logic runs with Node.js. Phase 2. JavaScript reality check. My next realization, you can't escape JavaScript. If your base is weak, Node will punch you. No shame, backend becomes easy once foundations are right. So I spent time reviewing arrow functions, arrays and objects, promises, async, await, JSON, basic error handling. And trust me, this made Node 10 times simpler. Free help I used. FreeCodeCamp JS, JavaScript.info. Phase 3. Writing my first server. Once I felt confident with JS, I went straight to FreeCodeCamp's Node plus Express course. And I still remember setting it up and printing my first line. Step 1, install Node. Step 2, install VS Code. Then run this in terminal. Node, you now have a JavaScript environment, same as browser console but outside browser. Now type console.log, hello from Node. Congrats, you're running JS on your computer, not the browser. It wasn't fancy, but that moment felt like the start of something real. Then I learned the basics. Creating a server, routes, sending JSON, check strict, using Express. Phase 4. Understanding server and Express. Backend equals creating servers. Node lets you do it, but Express makes it easier. Your first Express server looks like this. That's it. That code serves a response on localhost 3000. Let's decode this lines of code. App get equals root. REQ equals incoming request. Res equals outgoing reply. Phase 5. Building small things fast. Instead of waiting to fully understand everything, I started building tiny, imperfect projects. My first mini apps. A simple greeting API, a Todo API, a public quotes API. Some were messy, but each one taught me something real. Lesson: don't learn Node to remember. Learn Node to build. Phase 6. What to learn in Node. Here's your learning checklist. Core Node.js. Modules require import. File system, FS. NPM packages, environment variables, express.js. Routing, middleware, JSON response, error handling, database, MongoDB, Mongoose Basics Ball, tools, Postman, Thunder Client, GitHub, on-screen, learning checklist. Phase 7, database and deployment reality. Then came the scary part, databases and deployment. But guess what? MongoDB Atlas made the database part easy, and Render helped me deploy for free. The moment my first backend went live, I felt unstoppable. On screen. Live. Your API is deployed. Phase 8, best free resources. Here are the best free resources that helped me. FreeCodeCamp Node plus Express. Perfect beginner course. hands-on practice. The Odin Project Backend JavaScript path, real-world projects, structured, MongoDB University free DB course, official MongoDB training, YouTube, Traversy Media, Net Ninja, no paid course. No ads saying become a developer in 2 days. Just patience plus free internet. So that's how I learned Node.js without spending a rupee. If you're confused right now, that's normal. Node isn't hard, it's just new at first. Backend isn't learned in one night. Start small, stay consistent, build tiny things, and you'll get it. And if you want this journey to be easier, I drop daily free learning tips right here. Hit subscribe, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.